The word skeleton comes from a Greek word meaning dry. But our bones really are complex living organisms. They are rigid, but they also grow. Look at the growth of the hand bones in these X-rays. Here is a young person's hand, and the hand of a grown-up. The same bones, but different sizes because of age and growth. How does that happen? Let's start with the growth process of long bones. Bone growth is a very orderly process that takes place near the ends of long bones. The space where growth occurs is called the growth plate. The center of the growth is a disc of cartilage. Growth occurs as cartilage cells divide. As new cells are formed, much of the cartilage becomes arranged in columns. The growth plate is the only place where bones actually grow longer. While younger cartilage cells continue to multiply, older cells begin to surround themselves with minerals, so the older cartilage begins to harden. The cartilage cells eventually shrink, creating spaces. As the bone-building process continues, the spaces get larger and at the same time, blood vessels grow into the area. Along with them come bone-building cells. It is these specialized cells that gradually transform the mineralized cartilage into bone. This gradual change takes place across the entire growth plate. Many small spaces develop in the marrow at the ends of long bones. The same basic growth process takes place in the bone shaft, but there, bone is hard and compact. In the shaft, bone cells build orderly bundles of more or less cylindrical units called osteons, or Haversian systems. A canal, the Haversian canal, usually contains a blood vessel and sometimes a nerve. It runs through the center of these structures. The bone inside us is part of our living bodies. Bone cells remain active all our life.